Hello friends, welcome to this May update on asset allocation and fund of funds. Starting off with our view on different asset classes, the equity markets are holding up fairly well amidst the second COVID wave, and we continue to see quick sector rotation into global cyclicals and defensive sectors. We could see significant downgrades to FY22 earnings estimates, but valuation multiples could remain high due to low interest rates and high liquidity. We maintain a cautious view on equities in the short term. Any correction would be temporary and minor, but short-term upside may be limited and markets may remain range-bound. In the medium to long term, we maintain our view to play domestic cyclicals and financials as the economy should normalize in FY23. The risk-reward for equities still looks relatively attractive as compared to other asset classes. On the fixed income side, floater and short-term funds continue to be the best risk-adjusted places for fixed income investors to have accrual returns over other fixed income assets. Coming to gold, we have seen an uptick in gold prices as the US bond yields have stabilized and there are some concerns regarding COVID in some countries. However, with an expected rise in inflation, which should lead to an increase in interest rates, gold prices should also be tapped on the upside. We expect a one-year return of 5 to 10% for gold. On real estate, the returns have been depressed over the last 5 years as prices have been flat. We expect only a gradual recovery in prices over the next couple of years due to the high inventory levels. In the current volatile environment, it is important for investors to have a well-diversified portfolio. The Aditya Birla Sun Life Asset Allocator Fund of Fund is a one-stop shop giving investors a well-rounded exposure to 4 key asset classes, namely domestic equity, international equity, fixed income, and gold. This reduces overall volatility and increases the chances of getting higher risk-adjusted returns. Based on our view, currently our allocation is 58% to domestic equities, around 6% to international equities, 8% to gold, and around 28% to fixed income and cash. We believe that this is the best asset allocation in the current environment. On the performance side, the ABS Asset Allocator Fund of Fund continues to be in the top quartile across short, medium, and long time frames and is even ranked number 1 in the dynamic allocation category across most time frames. The performance of the Fund of Fund has been aided by the ABSL Small Cap Fund, Flexi Cap Fund, and the Equity Advantage Fund, and the fact that we also had exposure to international ETFs such as the S&P 500 ETF and the gold ETFs has helped performance. In addition to the Asset Allocator Fund of Fund, we offer a bouquet of other fund of funds such as the Financial Planning Fund of Funds for aggressive, moderate, and conservative investors, the ABSL Global Emerging Opportunities Fund, which has an international focus and provides access to next-generation themes such as cloud computing, AI, genomics, etc., which are not available in India, and the ABSL Global Excellence Fund, which has an international focus and provides access to global industry leaders with established brands and strong moats. Thank you and happy investing.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.